We appreciate those who are following us from week to week. We gained about 20 followers in the last 28 days, so the trajectory is going up. Let's keep that momentum going. I appreciate it. Today we're on location at Bacolor, Pampanga, at a beautiful Airbnb called Organic Sunset Farms. This place has a strong tropical feel, natural textures, and a private pool that works perfectly for portraiture. Today we're shooting with the model Ira in several different locations within this small kind of a compound of the Airbnb. I'll walk you through the setup, the lens choices, and how we use the scenery to set up strong portraits. For this setup, I placed Ira beside a wooden post along a poolside walkway. The post creates a strong vertical line that helps support this composition. These series of shots were taken with the Bokeh Master, the 105 Sigma 1.4, and of course I shot at 1.4. The compression from that lens gives beautiful subject separation and smooth background blur. Even though the background has plants, trees, fences, and other distracting objects, the Sigma 105, everything melts away behind the model. In this shot, I wanted to combine the pool, the plants, and the texture wall behind Ira. The goal was to create layers while still keeping the attention on Ira. Again, I use a Sigma 105 for its beautiful compression. The longer focal length keeps the scene clean while still showing some environment. This is a great example of an environmental portrait that still focuses on the subject. For this shot, I had Ira sit along a bench on the outside of the villa. The plant and the glass doors created depth and warm tones behind the subject. This is also shot with the Sigma 105. Again, the lens helps simplify a busy background and helps keep the focus on Ira. Natural light from the sides adds highlights and dimensions to the portrait. For this portrait, we moved into the pool for a different look. The water adds texture, reflection, and color contrast. This shot was taken with my 50mm G Master shot at 1.2. The 50mm gives you natural perspective while still giving you strong background blur. I had Ira hold a strong, confident pose with her hands on her hips to create a strong, beautiful shot. This wraps up today's shoot with Ira at Organic Sunset Farms here in Pampanga, Philippines. One of the purposes of going to this Airbnb was to demonstrate that you can go to almost any location, small or large, and find corners and crevices to take portraits. This Airbnb, although it's nice, is not particularly ideal for portraits. If you utilize your imagination, utilize the available light or any kind of strobe that you may bring to create some light, you can make wonderful photographs that I hope that I will display to you here. So don't be afraid to adventure out, find different locations to shoot portraits. I hope that you pick up some ideas from me today, and I hope to learn from you. So please comment down below of some things that you think I could have done to make this shoot better. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. We upload weekly, and we'd love to see you next week for our next video.